Welcome to Mysteries of Mars, an epic journey in which I present out-of-place, anomalous objects and structures are discovered on Mars. I'm Jean Ward, independent South African Mars researcher. Hello everybody, Jean here with another REDUX. We're looking at anomalies I discovered at a site near Mendel in a region of Mars called Terra Cimmeria. I found these anomalies in this high-rise photograph, USGS Dune Database 1699-613 changes. This was acquired on the 6th of June 2013 at a nice high res of 28.1 centimeters per pixel with 1:1 binning. I cropped the images we'll look at from the JP2 black and white map projected file. And there's a look at the terrain as seen in the low-res black and white. This is a crop from that low-resolution photograph. So we have Terra Cimmeria, and the site we're looking at is right there at approximately 61 degrees, 14 minutes south, 169 degrees, 59 minutes east. As always, you can use the scale indicator included to measure the size of these objects. So that one over there, folks, I would say is 5, 10, 15, about 18 meters in length. Got this strange rectangular shape to it, slightly bent, it looks bent, almost like sheet metal. It's nice right angles and straight edges, and then this raised part parallel with that one side is very artificial looking as well, and then this partial circular disc shape over there close to the center. Let's take a closer look at this object, which is about 6 meters in length. Got an odd hollowed out area. Looks like a hole there with this strange oval sort of spherical shape object there in that opening. Take a look at this next. I would say that's 5, 10, 15, about 12 to 15 meters across. Sort of like a dome shape. But this part on the one side seems to be detached from this larger piece. Looks almost like a shield attached to the side of this rather odd item. Right, let's have a look at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided object. Very symmetrical. So what are hexagonal shaped objects doing on Mars? I've seen so many of those in the past as well. So that I would say is 5, 10, 15 meters long. The rectangular part at the bottom I'd say is about 8 meters in length. It's got neat straight edges, parallel with one another, 90-degree angles. So as Carl Sagan used to say, if you're looking for signs of intelligent life, look at the symmetry and the geometry of their structures or designs. That's paraphrasing. But yeah, we see so much symmetry and geometry in objects on Mars. It's actually quite astonishing. Check that part. I'd say it's 5, 10, about 12 meters in length. rather odd shape to it. Looks like this part on the right is detached. It's got a slot on the one side. Could that there be a hole? It's very round. The piece over here, it's quite irregular in shape. I don't know if that is casting that shadow, but that looks very suspiciously like a hole. And there's a protrusion over there in the center of this one side. This V-shaped carved out or cut out area, also rather odd. Right, let's have a look at that item to the top. I'd say that is 5, 10, 15, 20 meters in length. Just a rough approximation, guys, but this is massive. It's got a nice uniform width to it. And then this part protruding off the one side. Looks like these two parts are attached to this longer item. That there is angled down towards the surface, whereas this is more sort of dome-shaped. Zooming into that site in Google Earth Mars. So for context, we have Mendel over here to the top left, and then roughly 200 kilometers to the southeast we have that site. So there's a look at those thumbnails that I've pinned to this site in Google Earth Mars. So it's quite a diverse set of anomalies, very different to one another. Let's have a look at these anomalies to the south, about 180 kilometers to the south. Megalithic blocks. That's strange to see as well. Very similar to what we find here on Earth at ancient destroyed megalithic sites. I look forward to engaging with you in the comments. As always, thanks for watching.